Hello, Uncle 245. Hello, Uncle 245. It's been a long time since I heard you out here in Kauai. Hello, Uncle 245. Pineapple juice waving. Aloha.
Yo, right back, you. Right back, Pineapple Juice. You right, my brother. It's been a long time, man. You sound real good coming in the hood, too, man. How's everybody? How's everything going at East? Are you missing the lava? Are you ducking that lava there, go ahead?
Yeah, that be on the Big Island. Hey, Uncle 245, that be on the Big Island. 300 miles. I'm in Kauai, North Wisconsin. 300 miles to the north there. Uncle 245, come on.
You can't tell Mother Nature where to go. That got me going to run reverse on your ass and come on in Kauai. It'll jump some duplica seas and come see you there, Raya.
Yo, for Raya. All right, then 245. Take care, Uncle 245. You enjoy the Cowpicking weekend. Welcome to the weekend, man. Happy Halloween and all that good holiday stuff there. I just came in to wave because I heard you keying up. I'm just reading the mail. Take care, 245. Your badass nephew in the island of Kauai. My heavy Chevy. I'm gone.
Heavy Chevy Super, too. You got Kauai on fire down there, cat bigger. They gonna think you another volcano. Keep on what you're keeping on. Hey, Pineapple Juice. Your Uncle 245, new bird below Balfour Johnson Brown waving around the main land. Pineapple Juice, you're 245. Your president's cuz, sometime call your Zolo. Zolo. Zolo, Alabama working this Balfour Johnson, gone.
All right, Zolo. Take care. Uncle Zolo. All right, man. I'll put it up on YouTube tonight. Go check it out. 245 California and Pineapple Juice in Kauai, Hawaii. Go check it out tonight. I'll put it up there so you can see what the Cowpicking modulation sounded like. Take care. 245, Uncle. Pleasure to double measure. Peace, love, and aloha. I'm gone.
California, I've been up on one of them sites once, man. I haven't been up there, but I can find my way up there. So go to YouTube and look for California and Pineapple Juice on the YouTube there, right?
Yeah, just look up 245, Mr. 245 in California and Pineapple Juice, Kauai, Hawaii. There, Roger?
Yeah. The danger's out west. The danger's right downtown. All the night after the blood show. With that juice, hell of sound, man. God bless. Take care. Younger 245 and that big old Balfour Johnson Brown waving on his 127-foot dial pole. Stand down.
That's your instant replay. I'm gone.
Ooh, that's all right. That's going pretty good for Balfour Station. I'll see you.
All right, now, go have a good day. I'm back on the side. See what's going on. I'm back quiet.